Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Today we're going to be doing two chords that you already know, but we're using different fingerings. And what these fingerings are, it's the preparation for when we do the bar chord using these type of formations. All right. First chord, we know the C chord. We're familiar with that fingering or how we normally finger the C chord. But in this case, look, we have the second finger here. All right. Here we have the third finger, we have the fourth finger. Let's take a look and see what that looks like on the guitar. What this is, can we see my hand? See? This is not going to be easy. All right? This is because it's sort of uncomfortable. You have this first finger hanging in the breeze. All right? Now, why, just going to jump ahead a little bit, why this is important that later on when we add the bar, okay, why we're doing this with this fingering as opposed to this is because when we move up, we want to have access to so we can move around. All right, so that's all that's about for now, like this. The next chord, we know A minor. See the fingering? All right, what happens with the A minor? We're getting a good shot of that. Okay, good. So now, what we're going to do, we could do the famous doo-wop, C, A minor, F, and G. And with the F and G, we can also use the bar chords. So watch what happens. Okay, and this is what I want you to practice. We're only doing this much because it's not going to be easy for you. All right? But the rewards down the road, and when I say down the road, not that far. We're not talking miles. We're talking a couple of blocks here. All right? Down the road, it's going to make a big difference because you're going to be able to use, literally, you'll have use of all your fingers. Build up that pinky a little bit, build up that third finger. Okay? And again, this is just a precursor to when we do the bar. Okay? And then you'll start to see how what we call position playing, how it comes into effect where once you could play it in the one position, you could do too far ahead, but you could see that there's a method to the madness. All right? Listen, thank you very much. If you like what you hear, give me that thumbs up. All right, please subscribe, okay, so you get this stuff right away. Comments or questions, below, you know the deal. All right? Again, enjoy your day, and we'll see you soon. And another blues video coming out very, very shortly. Thank you.